I don't know, you might be knowing that it was a very fast trial. Any way to finish it. Former CM and his team was completely scared. As a
Do you
judge,
want to mention it as suicide or murder, sir?
I believe it is a murder. I have a serious doubt about Amma's death also. All these guys having a lobby and let it be investigated.
Sayan gave you an interview in the documentary you released actually. Is this all true? Even Sayan can blame someone to save himself, right?
Not only the oral statement of science. It is
Okay.
I through as a journalist for much
Investigations.
investigation. Then I came to know some big shots involved.
As soon as you charged Edapadi Panichami, you were prosecuted and banned from talking about her, right, sir?
Yeah, that is interesting. Why?
எம்சிவி நெட்வொர்க் நேயர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். இன்றைய நமது சிறப்பு விருந்தினராக சீனியர் ஜேர்னலிஸ்ட் மேத்யூ சாமுவேல் அவர்கள் நம்முடன் இருக்கிறார். வெல்கம் சார். Today's hot topic is about the Kodanadu issue, sir. The comment you made a few years ago about the Kodanadu issue caused tension among the AIDMK people, the followers of Ms. Jayalalitha. The documentary you posted also contained a lot of shocking informations. When did you first find this issue, and what progress have you made in your investigation at now, sir?
I think it's 3 years over. I
Yeah.
published this investigative documentary to the public domain. Then I waited for such a long time, and it was a judicial process happening in a trial happening in Uti, Kotagiri court also.
Okay.
I don't know, you might be knowing that it was a very fast trial.
Okay.
Any way to finish it.
Okay.
Then that is the first thing. That is the biggest. People are scared.
People are
Those,
scared. Yes.
those who are in the power are literally scared.
Okay.
That really happened few days back because before leaving the former CM and his team was completely scared. His
Okay.
legal team was scared.
Okay.
But as a journalist like you, so we are giving what we supposed to do. We will put it on public domain.
Yeah.
That is
Obviously, we do.
that only we can do. We are not. We don't have any power as a journalist. So we put it on public domain, and entire Tamil Nadu, all over the world, people watched, and it is a prima facie evidence.
Okay.
അഞ്ച് പേര് കൊല്ലപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
Okay.
5 people, not one,
Five
five
people.
people.
5 people. Yes, sir.
Okay, and 3 people killed in same day in 24 hours.
Okay. Among the 5 people.
Yeah, among the 5 people, 3 people killed. And
Okay.
Kanagaraj, another one, Sayan's wife and kid. It was an attempt of killing Sayan and his family. Then
Okay.
the computer operator and CCTV was under him. He was also suicided. And total Ram Bahadur, total 5 people. As
Okay.
a as a
Do you
judge,
want to mention it as suicide or murder, sir?
I believe it is a murder.
Okay.
I believe it's a murder
Murder. Okay.
and cover up all the issues. That is the reason it was murder, I believe.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
According to got a solid evidence, I believe it was murder.
Murder. Okay.
Okay, then it is a common sense that such kind of a thing happening, 5 people killed. It's a
In
question.
24 hours.
Exactly. As a journalist, what I told, why I asked the public and the power, those who are in the power, You go for a fair investigation.
Okay.
That time I have not even said that the former CM was accused.
Okay.
I never said. But
Okay.
later I came to know he was behind all this.
He was okay. Okay.
Because
It
he
was
was
after the documentary.
exactly after the
Okay.
document,
Okay.
I got a very, very solid lead. So he was the one who behind all these things.
Okay.
Okay. It's that is the reason he's scared. What happened today in Tamil Nadu Assembly, it was
Yeah.
a scaring.
It
It's
was a sphere.
if it is case is going to reopen, he say if I'm an innocent guy, if I don't want to hide anything, I least bother about all these things.
Yeah. We'll just walk out.
Well, why he was very scared and walk out and protest in front of the assembly in Tamil Nadu, it was he scared. Because if the case was reopened, many things can going to prove.
Okay.
I'm not anticipate this is all this behind so and so, but let it be fair investigation.
Yeah, that has to be.
Because five people killed, it is not a simple thing.
Yeah.
Every human having a value.
Sure, sir.
And those who behind the killing and murder, they are into the power and enjoying the power.
Okay.
India is not a banana republic. India is not a banana republic. You can do and you are into the power. You can manage all the police and judicial system and everything. No.
No.
So we needed justice.
Okay.
So I think I will, another one my very good happiest day today because
Today. Yeah. Happiest day not only for you, for Tamil Nadu people.
exactly, because the state government announced inside that it was a court decision for the reopening the case. Let it reopen.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. It has to be.
Yeah, let it, the truth has to come into the public who hold
Yes.
behind. And also, believe me, I have a serious doubt about Amma's death also.
Okay.
Madam,
Okay. Okay.
Jayalalitha's the last days and all these things.
Okay.
It
What
is
sort of doubt you have, sir?
because something happened so far. Because she was in not that much good condition. Because
Yeah.
all these guys having a lobby and let it be investigated.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that will be investigated.
Okay.
Okay, then money is not the big power. Power is not the big power. You can do whatever you want. No, it won't be good for the people of India. It not good for the people of Tamil Nadu.
Sure, sir.
Suppose if you are doing some story or investigate something, instantly file the case against you. It's not a banana republic.
You were talking about science. Science gave you an interview in the documentary you released actually. In that, he said that various documents were stolen from Kodonadu and Ms. Jayalalitha's driver Kanagaraj approached him to do so. Is this all true? Even Sayan can blame someone to save himself, right?
It's not like that. If science stated that so and so thing, and
Okay.
it has to be investigated. That is only I'm saying. I'm not saying that science is 100%
Okay.
right.
Okay. Okay. It has to be investigated.
That has to be investigated because we are the people of India. We are the people of Tamil Nadu. We wanted a answer. All the doubts of shadows have to go. Shadow box have to go.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I am not taking science is completely right or wrong.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Let it be investigated.
Okay. Even that it has to be investigated.
Exactly.
After the release of this documentary, you accused then Chief Minister Edappadi Panichami to having links with the murder. What made you to think that Edappadi Panichami was involved in that? And is there enough evidence to prove the charge against him?
Yes, it is actually not only one lead.
Okay,
It was not only one lead. Not only the oral statement of Sayan. It is
okay,
I go through as a journalist for much
investigations.
investigation. Then I came to know some big shots involved.
Okay, okay,
Involved. That has to be investigated. And I'm pointing the finger the former chief minister.
Chief Minister, okay.
That's the reason. Yeah.
As soon as you charge Edappadi Panichami, you were prosecuted and banned from talking about him, right, sir?
I'm not getting the question.
As soon as you charged Edappadi Panichami in this murder issue, you were prosecuted and banned from talking about it.
Yeah, that is interesting. Why?
Why?
That
What
is
problem did you encounter when they were investigating this matter, and why you were banned from speaking? Can you elaborate about it, sir?
yeah, that again having a big doubt because I won't speak anything against him. He's the
Yeah,
chief of Tamil Nadu. It's a funny thing actually.
funny thing actually. Yeah,
Why is it? So I am challenging that inside the court because if we are the democratic country, we can talk.
yeah, we have to. As
We
a
have to,
journalist, you have to.
yeah, that is our duty.
What all you face, sir?
Yeah. Go ahead.
No, what all you faced when you addressed Edappadi Panichami? What all the things you faced regarding it, sir?
So, many people, those who involved in this case,
Yes.
arrested, and they become close. Some of them wanted, from some of the sources of information, they close to become the prosecution.
Okay.
Okay, those who the another name called Manoj Valaya, he went to Palanisamy camp.
Okay.
So all this pressure tactics was one side.
Okay.
You got my point.
Yeah, I got it, sir.
And also judicially pressurizing because I was the one who whistleblower.
Yeah.
So just only talk to the public what exactly happened. Police have to be, and another independent agency have to be investigated. Instantly, gag order coming. You cannot talk. You cannot tell. You cannot name my name in
Okay.
Kodana. So
Okay.
why all these things?
Was it
And
directly done to you, sir?
I said directly put to me.
Okay.
That is another one horrible funny matter happened from the former CM.
Okay. No, what are the issues you face, sir? When he asked you to stop it, what are the issues you face, sir?
No, after that, because I always obey what exactly our judicial process and what are the law. I respect the law and all these things. And I was also waited. He's got a power, so the reason he did. Let people of Tamil Nadu to decide, and they thrown out him from the chief minister post. I knew that this is going to happen one day.
One day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One day this is going to happen, reopen the case, and he would be summoned, he would be interrogated, something going to expose. I believed. Same thing happened in, you might be knowing that Narada case in Calcutta, and
Calcutta. Yes, sir.
two ministers arrested. So I am not hurry, waiting, let it wait.
Okay. Now, currently the AIDMK has lost the power. The case is also under investigation. Are you still facing any issues from them, sir? And also, do you believe the facts will be revealed in this case now?
So of course, once the investigation, the Pandara box opened, Many things going to come out.
You
And
have faith in that.
meanwhile, I will tell you, many film producers in Tamil Nadu approached me. They wanted to make a movie. I said, wait,
Okay.
let the investigation to be started. Then we can make a movie, how it happened, all the angles and verticals.
So you trust that the facts will be revealed in this investigation.
That's true. Much more things going to come. Yeah.
Yeah, that will be the happiest day for the Tamil Nadu people as well. Now, apart from your documentary, is there anything more to tell about the Kodanadu issue, sir?
Right now, I'm waiting for the Pandara box have to be opened. Police
Okay.
has to, when the police beginning the investigation, many leads and documents I can hand it over to them. Many people
But
told many
still you have the documents which have not been revealed.
exactly not
Okay.
revealed.
Okay. So we people, we are actually expecting the fact has to be investigated, the fact has to come out, and the evidences you are having must have power to make the victims.
Exactly, that's correct.
Anything else to talk about the Kodanadu issues, sir? About Sion? How is Sion actually?
Yes, Sain is not a criminal actually. Walayar Manoj was a born criminal actually. He was associated.
Okay.
Sain actually a guy who was running a bakery business in Coimbatore. And
Okay.
Kanagaraj is Sain.
Sion is
Kanak,
innocent actually.
yeah. This Kanagaraj is the one who instigated him
Okay.
for doing and arranging.
Oh, okay.
So that was but now currently only Sain knew exactly what happened.
What happened? Yeah.
Who was behind, who those who offered, promised, only Sain knew. That is the beauty of the case. Once some of them wanted to finish all the prime witness and everything, one would be alive. That can change the matter.
Yeah.
That is
Of
the beauty.
course. Thanks a lot for the time you spared with the NCV network viewers, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.